Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Let's have a quick revision ताकि पता चले कि आज का हमारा नंबर कौन सा है. Start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Today's number is 9. Today we will learn about number 9 and how it's look like number 9. और उर्दू में नंबर 9 को क्या कहते हैं? उर्दू में नंबर 9 को 9 कहते हैं. Let's see number 9 on page number 21. This is number 9. Trace it with your finger. A circle, then a line. Number 9 is looking fine. That says this picture, page number 21. We see 9 candles. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very nice. And candle gives brightness.